Ever wondered if your forex trading journey could be supercharged by the analytical prowess of TradingView? Do you find yourself juggling between charting platforms and your broker's execution interface, wishing for a more seamless experience? If so, you're not alone, and you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the question that many aspiring and seasoned forex traders ask: is forex on TradingView? For years, TradingView has been lauded as the go-to platform for charting and technical analysis, boasting an unparalleled array of indicators, drawing tools, and a vibrant community of traders. Its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities have made it a favorite across various asset classes, from stocks to crypto. But when it comes to forex, the picture can sometimes seem a little less clear. Can you actually trade forex directly from TradingView, or is it merely a charting companion? The exciting news is, yes, you absolutely can trade forex on TradingView. It's not just a platform for pretty charts, it's a robust ecosystem that integrates with a growing number of forex brokers, allowing you to execute trades directly from the same interface where you conduct your analysis. This means no more switching tabs, no more cross-referencing prices, and a much more streamlined trading workflow. So, how does this work? TradingView acts as a front-end platform, connecting to your existing brokerage account. Think of it like this: your broker holds your funds and executes your trades, while TradingView provides the sophisticated charting, analytical tools, and a direct conduit to place those orders. This symbiotic relationship leverages TradingView's superior analytical environment with your broker's execution capabilities. A key aspect of TradingView's appeal for forex traders is its extensive suite of tools. You'll find over 400 built-in indicators, from the ever-popular moving averages and RSI to more advanced options like Bollinger Bands and MACD. Beyond that, the community-driven aspect of TradingView is incredible. There are literally thousands of custom indicators developed by other traders using PineScript, TradingView's proprietary programming language. This means if you can imagine a strategy, chances are someone has already built an indicator for it, or you can even build one yourself. Beyond indicators, TradingView offers more than 15 chart types, including traditional candlesticks, bars, and lines, along with specialized charts like Renko and Heikin Ashi, all highly customizable. Drawing tools are abundant, allowing you to mark up your charts with trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, support and resistance levels, and much more. But it's not just about analysis. The platform provides comprehensive order management directly on the charts. You can place market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and take profit orders with ease, even modifying them by simply dragging and dropping on the chart. This visual control over your trades is a game-changer for many. Furthermore, TradingView's backtesting capabilities are truly exceptional. You can test your strategies on historical data with detailed performance reports, helping you refine your approach before risking real capital. Another significant advantage is the social aspect. TradingView boasts a massive community of traders. You can share your trade ideas, follow other successful traders, and engage in discussions, fostering a learning environment that's hard to find elsewhere. This collective intelligence can be invaluable for gaining new perspectives and refining your trading edge. Of course, to trade forex directly on TradingView, you'll need an account with one of their integrated brokers. Popular choices include forex.com, OANDA, Pepperstone, and Fusion Markets, among others. The process is generally straightforward: open an account with a supported broker, create a TradingView account, and then link the two through the trading panel on TradingView. In essence, TradingView isn't just a charting tool for forex, it's a powerful, all-in-one platform that brings together world-class charting, advanced analytical tools, a thriving community, and direct trading capabilities. It truly empowers forex traders to analyze, plan, and execute their trades efficiently and effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.